Good morning, friends. Today, BSN 3, paper number 3, British fiction, unit number 3. Friends, you know there is a one political satire. There is a one political satire written by George Orwell, Animal Farm. Our title is Animal Farm. Friends, Animal Farm is a political satire written by George Orwell. Friends, Eric Arthur Blair is the pen name. He was born in India. George Orwell born in India, June 25, 1903. June 25, 1903. I have mentioned the lifespan of the George Orwell, 1903 to 1950. Friends, he is also known by his pen name, George Orwell. George Orwell is the pen name. The original name is the Eric Arthur Blair. Eric Arthur Blair. Friends, he was born in Motihari. It is situated in Bengal, where his father was a customs and excise department of the government of India. And a father, government of India under job કરી રહ્યા છે. Then he was sent to England for the education. George Orwell sent to take the education for England. His father's income was not much and had support a family of 4 to 5 persons. એના પિતાની જે ઇન્કમ છે એટલી બધી ઇન્કમ વધારે નથી, એટલે ઘરમાં 4 કે 5 ફેમિલી છે, મેમ્બર છે, તો એમનું ભરણ પોષણ કરી શકે. So they were not rich. આ લોકો પૈસે ટકે સુખી નથી. And income was not sufficient to maintain them properly. Income was not sufficient, so the family is not properly maintained. And Eric was admitted in the exclusive preparatory school in the South Coast. And South Coast ના અંદર એક સ્કૂલના અંદર ભણવા મૂકવામાં આવે છે. And asked to bring credit to the school in the return offers scholarship. અને એને જે સ્કોલરશિપ મળે એમાંથી સ્કૂલની ફી ભરવાનું એવી ક્રેડિટ કરવામાં આવે છે. He was lonely and sensitive boy. આપણા લેખક છે કેવા છે? જોર્જ ઓરવેલ. Lonely and sensitive boy. Friends, they constantly remind him to his father's poverty and studying with the help of the charity. એ સ્કૂલના જે હેડમાસ્ટર હોય છે વારંવાર અગેન એન્ડ અગેન આ છોકરાને યાદ કરાવે છે, રિમાઇન્ડ કરાવે છે કે તું ભણેશ ખરો પણ તારી જે સ્કોલરશિપ આવે એના પૈસા સ્કૂલમાં ભરવાના છે. You have to give fund in this particular charity of the school. George Orwell had described his school days with the imaginary school, and he also said, I have no money, I was very much big, I was ugly, I was unpopular, and I had chronic. Friends, in Eton school he found the humiliating atmosphere. Eton નામનું પ્લેસ છે ત્યાં એમને એક humiliating atmosphere મળે છે. He had the lack of money, yet the life was not humiliating. He has no money, so that his life was not humiliating. He read extensively, deeply, and what he liked. પૈસે ટકે સુખી નથી એટલે એને વાંચવાનો શોખ ધરાવે છે, તે વાંચે છે બહુ સારી રીતે. And he laid the foundation of his literary career. અને પછી સાહિત્યિકમાં એનું કેરિયર બનાવવાની શરૂઆત કરે છે. He started his career as a literary. He expressed the intellectual development during these years in the school of Eton. He expressed his intellectual development. Orwell describes Eton not a good public earliest school originally intended and land-owning aristocratic school. Also, Orwell has real experience of the poverty. આપણા જે લેખક છે એમને પોવર્ટી એટલે બાળપણમાં ગરીબાઈ જોયેલી છે and difficulties of our life. અને in the childhood he faces so many difficulties. In the childhood he faces so many difficulties. One of his tutor advised him to leave England. એક એનો ટ્યુટર છે એને ઇંગ્લેન્ડ છોડવાની એને વાત કરે છે કે you left the England and go to abroad અને બીજી જગ્યાએ ચાલે જાઓ and take a job મેળવી લો and make a plenty of money અને ત્યાંથી તમને ઘણા બધા પૈસા મળશે. Friends, George Orwell came into direct contact with the worst aspect of the imperialism. Imperialism na direct contact માં છે આપણા author. He disliked his role as a policeman. સાથે સાથે આપણા લેખકને પોલીસના અંદર સુપ્રિન્ટેન્ડન્ટ તરીકેની જોબ મળે છે. પણ ઇમ્પેરિયલિઝમનો વધારે પડતો પ્રભાવ હોવાથી આપણા લેખક આ જોબને પણ છોડી દે છે. અને એમની એક નવલકથા છે, નવલકથાનું નામ છે બર્મીઝ ડેઝ. એના અંદર જ્યોર્જ ઓરવેલ પોતે આ પોતાના એક્સપિરિયન્સ હિઝ ફીલિંગ્સ of the police he explained, he deals. George returned to England in 1927. George જ્યારે ઇંગ્લેન્ડમાંથી રિટર્ન થાય છે ત્યારે by the time he decided to give up the police job, એ વખતે એમને પોલીસની જોબ give up એટલે છોડી દેવાની વાત કરે છે. And the moment he was in England, he had determined to make up his decision in this matter. He narrates his feelings those times in the essay Why I Write. અને એક એસે લખે છે Why I Write. એના અંદર પોતાના જે અનુભવો છે, પોતાની આ જે લાગણીઓ છે એને બતાવે છે. Also friends, he was one of the most influential English writer of the 20th century. 20મી સદીના બહુ ઇન્ફ્લુઅન્સ પ્રભાવશાળી પ્રતિભાશાળી રાઇટર તરીકે ઉપસી આવેલા છે. He wrote so many literary criticism. આપણા લેખક છે એમને ઘણી બધી લિટરરી ક્રિટિસિઝમ લખેલી છે. Then poetry લખેલી છે. He wrote so many fiction during his career. Fiction લખેલા છે. And polemical journalism. લેખકે જર્નાલિઝમ પણ કરેલું છે. He is best known for his dystopian work, dystopian novel. સરસ મજાની નોવેલ લખેલી છે, નામ છે 1984. સાથે સાથે he wrote novella Animal Farm, જે આપણે ભણવાનું છે. He wrote novella Animal Farm. બીજી નવલકથા લખેલી છે Coming Up for Air. He wrote Coming Up for Air. George Orwell Alien નામની સ્ત્રી સાથે લગ્ન કરે છે. He married with the alien and declared publicity with the he was a socialist. Also, George Orwell wrote The Spanish Civil War and Imperialism. He faced the Spanish Civil War and imperialism. The Spanish Civil War attracted young idealistic and generated excitement with the idealism and intellectuals of all the Europe. યુરોપના અંદર એ વખતે સ્પેનિશ વોરની શરૂઆત થયેલી છે. ઇમ્પેરિયલિઝમનો પ્રભાવ વધેલો છે. ઓરવેલ and his wife were ardent supporter of the Republican government. અને એ વખતે જ્યોર્જ ઓરવેલ અને એની પત્ની જે છે રિપબ્લિકન પાર્ટી જે છે એને વધારે પડતું ફોકસ કરે છે, મહત્વ આપે છે. Spain in the Civil War. They went there. The George Nero missed being killed by a stray bullet with his neck. Friends, this is the even also our Lekhak's Second World War. Orwell's fourth novel is coming up in the air. It's published in 1939. This novel is published in 1939. Friends, also Orwell contributed essay, articles, books, so many articles published in the magazine. He collected them, published the volume of George Orwell's best work is found in his essay. They present the valuable body comments and criticism of the contemporary life. He was also a socialist person. He was a social reformer. He was a social reformer. Friends, Orwell, we see the greatest political satire, Animal Farm, and in this Animal Farm, George Orwell deals with the thing like the corruption. In this particular drama, particular social satire, political satire, George Orwell explained the theme of the corruption of the social ideals, the social tendency towards the class stratification, the danger of the native working class, and the abuse of the language as the instrument of abuse of the power. These types of the themes in this particular drama, George Orwell has presented in a well manner. Thank you, friends.